Eric with you.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have my friend Jorge here with me, and today we're going to be trying British chocolates and a bag of British chips. We're going to see how they taste. My dad's friend from Britain gave me this shirt, and she got me this box of chocolates that she says every British child gets every morning. So
every morning?
No, not every morning. Every Christmas morning. They get it every Christmas morning. Okay. So inside, I've never done this before. So inside we got these types of chocolates. We got one. I can't do math. We got 6 pieces of chocolates in this little bag of like Cadbury M&Ms. It looks like, I'm guessing. It says buttons.
All right.
So we got Cadbury buttons things. We got Dairy Milk Oreo. Dairy Milk Oreo. Oh, these are all like squishy. This one's already crushed. The double decker.
Dairy Milk little bar.
That one I want to try because it's so thin.
I'm trying this.
We have a Wispa. And then lastly in the box we have a Crunchy.
Yeah.
And then outside of the box I got these 2 extra ones that my dad's friend gave me, which is a Picnic and a Boost. Wait, how did the beauty gurus do it? They do it like this, right?
And Whoppers, potato chips, ready to eat. Ready salted, I mean. They're ready salted.
Ready salt. This whole time I thought I said lightly salted.
They're ready salted.
It just tastes like Lay's.
They are Lay's. They're called Walker though.
Walkers. It's the same symbol but different. A different
brand.
Yeah, so this is a Walker's. It tastes exactly like a Lay's chips here in America.
Scam.
Where? I mean, they're so good because they taste exactly like Lay's chips. We're going to be eating these and judging them.
Boost.
Boost?
Yeah.
Multi-pack bar, not for resale. Does it say what? Like, is it like dark chocolate? Contains milk, wheat, gluten, peanuts, and soya.
I'm gluten free, so.
May contain peanuts and soy. Well, here, I'll break it in half. Oh,
What is this, plate bar?
it's like there's chocolate, like gooey chocolate inside, and then there's a caramel around the gooey chocolate. We mix it with like some random peanuts.
It's like a Twix and a Crunch bar.
And then like a hard shell of chocolate on the outside. It's
Very chocolatey.
and it's very crumbly. I mean, granted, these are from Christmas.
Wow.
Did you finish it?
No.
We have a lot more chocolate to eat. I wouldn't finish it. In fact, I'm gonna put it inside this Portillo's hot dog thing, or Portillo's French fry thing holder.
Not bad.
What would you rate it out of 10?
That's 7.
I'd give it an 8.
7.
Next is the Picnic, which I personally feel, I think it's gonna be like a payday, but with raisins. Oh!
It has raisins.
I hate raisins. I hate raisins.
Which one?
We gotta try it now. Ew.
It's a chocolate
This
payday.
even. Oh wait, I didn't show the chocolate bar.
Oops.
Oh wait, here. So this was the other one. This was the Boost. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. Now this is the Picnic,
Chocolate payday.
but with raisins. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like trail mix, but just chocolate covered on it. I don't like it. Only because no, eat your own.
Oh, you suck.
I'm not gonna mix my chocolate with yours. It's gross. It tastes like trail mix with chocolate covered all over it.
Not the best chocolate I've had.
I'll give it 5.
Yeah, 5. Me too.
It's okay. Now onto the box. This nice nicely ripped box with all the chocolate inside. All the chocolates I said inside. I'm gonna hold that one. Now, which one would you like to try first? I personally would like
bar,
to.
a little bar.
Okay. I want to eat this one last, the Oreo one.
Okay.
Last. But we'll do the very, very thin milk bar, I might add. There we go. It's called the Cadbury Dairy Milk little bar. Should I be reading the ingredients inside like I did for the other one that said it may have peanuts?
Sure.
Which it did, by the way. Sugar, cocoa butter, cocoa mass. What's cocoa mass? Vegetable fat, palm shea. I'm bored already. I don't care.
Yeah, just open that one, try it.
Contains fat in it. Okay, well, no, duh, it's chocolate. Oh, this.
What the fuck is that?
This looks like. This. You know what this looks like? It looks like a Laffy Taffy of chocolate. Okay, so this is what was inside. It's very decorative with a little milk jug and what looks like a Nickelodeon splat. Don't like fingers in front of that. Here, do you want the jug or do you want the splat? With it? Oh, the splat has a face in it too, which isn't creepy at all. It's melting in my hand already. Which one do you want?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give you this one. This one has more. More for me. You know what it tastes like? You ever gone to the Mexican store and they have the King's bar?
The King's bar.
It's like a red wrapper with like a king on it. He's like smiling. It tastes like that kind of chocolate to me. From what I remember. It's melting. It's like melting all the way. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
My hands are all greasy from this chocolate.
It's an okay chocolate.
They were trying too hard to be like milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Or I just was expecting just milk chocolate. It was like trying too hard. That makes sense.
Yeah. I gave it a good 6.
Oh wait, I didn't rate it. I give it a 6 too. That sounds about right.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the crunchy. Oh, it's already cracked. Okay, well, it's already cracked. Oh wait, I didn't show you the wrapper. This is the crunchy. If you can still see it. Okay, so this is for the crunchy.
Oh, you won? Oh, that's crazy.
And then this is what's inside when you crack when it already comes cracked.
Nope.
Oh! Oh!
Nope.
Oh! What the?
What's in that, man?
Where the hell are the ingredients? Oh, for full ingredients and nutritional information, please seek outer pack. Oh, on here? Because that was disgusting. What the hell was in that?
I don't know. No,
Milk chocolate with golden honeycomb center.
Honeycomb?
And then it says 37%. What does 37% mean?
Honeycomb?
37. It says milk chocolate with golden honeycomb center, 37%.
Honeycomb chocolate is not golden though.
That was.
These bricks are getting paid away, man.
That was disgusting. That was like a 1.
Yeah.
That was a fucking 1. Ill. So this is the double decker. This is how it comes packaged. Got like the beauty gurus. You gotta put the hand up. And sort of crushed. And it sort of feels gooey.
Yeah, it's melted.
Well, it was in my closet for like 3 months, so it shouldn't be.
Oh, I'm sorry. Closet.
Ew. Oh, this is like marshmallow.
Oh, not even that.
Oh.
Not even that.
It's like, we gotta eat it.
Nope.
Contains milk, egg, wheat, gluten, soya. May contain peanuts and nuts. How do you not know if it contains peanuts and nuts? Like, what does that mean? May contain it?
I don't know. Maybe. Probably.
Is it getting on the floor? No.
It's
Well, this is
nougat.
how it comes.
Oh, it's nougat.
What's nougat?
Oh, try it.
You try it too.
I'm not trying it.
Try it!
I hate nougat.
Here, I'll give you a small piece.
Ooh.
Tastes like coffee.
Yeah, it does.
Does it say coffee?
I don't know.
Which one was this one again?
Oh,
Oh, double decker.
yeah.
Oh. Crunchy cereal filling bar.
No.
Well, that was like, or 2. For me.
It's a 1.
No, you know what? That's a 0. I don't like that one.
A 1.
I thought that one was zeros. Oh, this is the packaging. Whisper. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. Very standard.
Is that a Kit Kat?
It's a very standard brick chocolate.
Kit Kat.
No, I'll read the ingredients in a second.
It's a Kit Kat.
No, this isn't a Kit Kat. It's like chocolate inside. Look at that. No. Tastes like I'm eating dusty chocolate. Like there's dusty chocolate inside of it. It's just like crumbling.
It's too much chocolate.
No, that was not good. I didn't like that one.
Good, but it's too much chocolate.
That was gross. So I'll give it.
It's a 6.
It wasn't the worst one. I'll give it a 2. You give it a 6?
I give it a 6.
I'll give mine a 2. I didn't like that one.
I'm a huge chocolate head, so.
So now we have the Cadbury Dairy Milk buttons with a little cute kitty cat. Oh look, I guess that's how the chocolate with the eyes. Oh, these are bigger than I thought they were gonna be.
Yeah.
They're just chocolate dots.
They're dots. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, let me show you guys. Oh, on the back they have the little Cadbury symbol. You can see. It's the back. It's the front.
Good. Too small though.
No, I think this is their standard taste of milk chocolate. It tastes exactly like the milk chocolate thing. I'll give it. It tastes okay. Give it like a 7.
7. Yeah.
Now this is the one I've been wanting to taste the whole. Every time I saw this box, I've been wanting to taste this one. I have high hopes for this one. It's better at least make it like a 8 above it, like maybe rate it like that. So it's the Cadbury Dairy Milk Oreo bar.
It's a big bar.
This is what you get on the inside. They look like the things that Chinese ladies put in your toes when you get pedicures. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the pieces of Oreos. And this is what is inside. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I love Oreos.
Good.
Very good.
Yeah.
I give that an 8. It's too sweet for me. That's why I don't give it a 10, but A1 with that chocolate and Oreo. Did you like the chocolates overall? I don't think I did. I only like the Oreos, and then I gave a very low rating to the. Although the first one that we did eat, the first one, the Boost, I actually did like that one.
Oh, was good.
That was a good one. I'll give the Boost and I give the Dairy Milk Oreo one. Those were very good. The other ones I didn't care for. I didn't like the Whisper and I didn't like the Nutmeg one. Which one was that Nutmeg? Oh, it was. No, this is the Trail Mix one. Well, oh, I didn't like the Double Decker. Double Decker was gross. Ill. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment something below.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, likes.